Well, we continue to be reminded of drought conditions here in California, but with the heavy rain last winter, could we possibly see a near normal precipitation for the area? ABC 10 meteorologist Carly Gomez has a closer look.
It was off to the races when the water year began in October 2021.
Started really well with a really strong storm in October that broke records in terms of precipitation.
Sacramento and the Central Sierra were pummeled by strong atmospheric rivers in October that caused street flooding and again in December, bringing feet of snow. But as quickly as the faucet turned on, so it turned back off.
California's feast or famine climate, there were a lot of months left in the water year, and January to February were really dry, and that is where we started to see that the odds of reaching a normal water year across the state start to dwindle.
The long rivers of moisture that often stretch from Hawaii are the leading causes for California's make or break years. After the October storms, we started November off with an 80 to 90% chance of having an average water year of about 18 inches of rain in Sacramento. With the lack of moisture in the winter, our normal water year dropped to a 10% chance. Researchers at the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes are taking notice.
Another thing, there's a lot of circulations in the atmosphere that we can use to help predict what a season will be like for California, to use in a way to help us predict what the activity is going to be in the Eastern Pacific and therefore California.
Sacramento received much more water than the rest of the state, with a deficit of about 1.5 inches of rain. And these early detections hope to help in better water management and water-saving measures.